Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the On Time On Target play of the day. We've got 4 screens in front of you and 5 seconds to the market open. We have the S&P 500 on the left on a 1-minute chart in the red for the open. As far as the futures, we have BCS gapping down, Skyworks Solutions gapping down, and Twitter. Now, Twitter is out of our range. We normally do that 5 to 10%. It's well out of the range, but if it backs up some, it may set up for a further fall. I would need it to get up really almost to 58 before I would be even really interested in taking that short. Okay, Skyworks Solutions backing up nicely though, so we like that action here of it going higher. I just realized you're looking at about a $2 price target. I'd say $1.50 on this one. All right, BCS for some reason kind of doesn't look like it's moving. Yeah, it's moving a little bit. It is in the heart of the window. All of these are earnings plays. We'll zoom in here. All these are earnings plays, so we're going to look at Skyworks. All of them missed earnings to an extent. So again, we're going to wait for this to establish the high of the day. Right now in Skyworks, it's 187. So subtracting $1.50 from that would be 185.5. So that's right here. So get ready at 185.5 at the $1.50 stop. There it is. So click it in there. $1.87, excuse me, $187 is our upper limit, and again we're taking this short, so get that arrow in there. It's a $1.50 stop, so you can start doing the math there as far as the points we're going to look at for selling off. So 184 would be our first R point, so that's when we're up the exact amount that we risked, if you will. 182.50 would be our second one, and then let's back out so we can get those on the chart. 182.50 is our second R point right here, and then our exit is all the way down at 181, which is on the screen, which is kind of nice. So right all the way down there. So if you want to set your stops, 187 at the upside, 181 on the downside, and just let the thing cook. Let's go back over to our trade real quick. It looks like our trade, we got darn close to hitting in the 3R point. So back over to TD Ameritrade, did hit it. We're looking at 181 as the exit. Come on, give it to me while we're looking at it. So again, we entered at 185.5. Our upper stop was below the high of the day, 187, and then 1, 2, and 3R down here. Didn't quite hit it yet, so I would, don't wimp out. Just hold out for the 181 exit there. We did look at another trade here in Twitter. We didn't take it, but it busted out to the high side, so we're not worried about that. All right, so here we are sitting very close to the exit point. Whoop, did it just hit? Nope, didn't quite hit it. That was me on the math there. So, all right, so we'll continue to watch that here. You can watch that off air. I'm gonna let you guys go. So good show this morning. Again, nice trade. We're at the 2.9R point. Come on, hit it while I'm talking. Hey, good enough. 181.03, we'll call that good. And we're back out of this trade. So again, nice 3R trade this morning. Again at 185.5, short on earnings for Skyworks, all the way out the bottom at 181. With that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you guys back Monday. Bye.